My name is Caroline Climie. I'm from Aberdeenshire in Scotland, and I studied the International Law Postgraduate Certificate. But right now I'm in Malmö, Sweden, studying online at Edinburgh University, but I also work part-time here in Malmö at the Malmö University. In my work, I'm in collaboration with external universities around the world. So my job title is External Agreements Manager, and I write the contracts, the partnership agreements with the universities around the world. And in writing these agreements, I've recently, with certain changes in laws and new updates and policies, I felt that I wasn't up to date with my information. So I felt that I would like to update my knowledge of the international law to help with my position. So I searched out international law at postgraduate level, and actually, considering my family and job situation, I needed to be in Malmö. I didn't want to study full time. I wanted to be able to work at the same time. And Edinburgh University was the only one who offered distance learning for this particular level and program that I needed, and that's why I chose Edinburgh. It was very easy, very supportive to begin studying online with Edinburgh, actually, which made my life very much easier. It made things very efficient for me. I could start and not have any stress. I didn't feel any lacking of anything that I needed to start studying. The library support was amazing. So I can only say I've had a very beneficial start to my online education at Edinburgh. I studied human rights in the international law, and I studied intellectual property, and I studied EU law, all of which I felt that I needed in my position of work, but I was also extremely interested in these areas as well. There was no live lectures, which meant that I could arrange my time around my work and my family, but also have time for my studies, which was very helpful and essential. And actually, it was very challenging. They don't not challenge you even though it's online, because my fear probably was that I wouldn't learn anything, but in actual fact, I've learned a great deal, and my interest in these areas has also expanded and gained more interest. And I feel that the challenge that Edinburgh gave me and the structure they gave me with the online learning has also benefited me in the way I approach my life and job. Especially my job, I feel that the academic skills it's given me has expanded my knowledge in my own job, and I can feel more confident in the way that I write, in the way that I can assess situations, because of the academic quality that I was given. So, and personally, I felt that I've grown so much because of the challenging way and structure that Edinburgh has online learning. I really am very thankful for the way that they supported me and all the students, of course, but I think that Edinburgh has a very special way of allowing students to succeed rather than making things difficult. It's not easy with online learning, distance learning, and having a family and having a job. So the easier it is with the background technology, the better.